My name is Mike Peterson. I'm the lead agronomist for Orthman Manufacturing out of Lexington, Nebraska. Really, we see the opportunity to help educate growers because we're in the process of, that's one of our lead things. If we have a farmer that's a lot smarter about what he does, we believe that he'll make better choices in his tillage and his fertility program along with the rest of his operation. Probably what we have found for our takeaways from here at this conference is how do we help communicate and articulate the program of what strip tillage really is. So many people believe that, all you have to do is tickle the ground a little bit and that's strip tillage. No, we want to be able to help express what that is and do a better job of it so that they learn really the fullness of it. And I also have been able to find when the Soil Tilth Lab out of Ames, Iowa has brought some of their scientists in, and me being a soil scientist, I really enjoy being able to work with those guys and help express what we do and what they do. We're proud to announce that at Husker Harvest this year, we're going to be able to expose some new pieces and parts, kind of like what we want to call it Orthman One Tripper 1.5. We're going to show you some new things about our shank. Our row cleaner device is going to change, and a couple other things, and we want to be able to help show that. There's demonstration days that are part of it. And the other thing that we're really excited about, I've been doing a lot of research this year since the soils were very wet. What we look at on soil resistance and soil compaction in 8 different soil textures across the Midwest and into the Western Corn Belt, along with strip till, no-till, and conventional tillage. And that's been exciting because now we have actual numbers instead of hearsay, he said, she said, that type of thing. We are now in 22 different countries. We're really wanting to make sure that the sale of the machine is not the important part. It's how you want to use it so that it actually gives you a benefit, so that the cost is worth the expense. We believe that there are new concepts that we're trying to help teach because growers are hearing so many things across on the internet and a variety of other spots. We want to be able to come to your farm and help train you. We also train our representatives plus the company that sell our products. And we predominantly deal with John Deere dealers. So we want to make sure that those folks know what it is when they're dealing with an Orthman One Tripper strip till machine. What we see it bring to the strip till world is the farmer is more astute about what he's doing. It's just not that it's a fad. This is a real way of making your management system a tool that is beneficial for you, not only today, but long into the future. Because we're national, international, we've dealt with almost every soil condition that you can think of. We're dealing with, so we know that if you're dealing with some wet conditions, dry, hard soils, timing is not right. We've been there, done that. I think we have a better idea about what that is instead of only thinking, well, we live in Nebraska and that's who we are. Well, I believe that what we've done here and the years that we've been involved with National Strip Till is that keep coming. There's more and more to come in the years in the future. Keep watching what's going on with fertility management with strip till. So one time you need to come again.